I love this!
What's
Oh
this?
my gosh, there is 3! Hi guys! It's the IOD family!
Welcome to our channel. The queen is here, just behind the camera today. She's the producer.
Yeah,
Oh,
I like being here. It's so good.
Yeah, the producer.
I know what you feel.
She's
now.
like,
No, say that. No, redo it. No, I don't like it. No, not this word. You use the other word. No. Everything has to be perfect. And no, not like this. It has to be like this. No, it's too much light on your face. Your bald hair's gonna be flashy.
you know, okay? Like a producer, like a real TV show.
I don't validate this imitation.
On my right, President Amor. On my left, Prince Zakaria.
So today we are gonna open some gifts.
Excuse me.
Wow.
It's not gifts.
It's some
Fidget
fidget
toys.
It's
toys.
fidget toys that I ordered for a challenge.
It's
I
really
thought-
random. We don't know what is it.
Yes, they don't know.
We don't
So
know.
we're gonna discover right now everything. Let
Yes.
me talk, please, okay? So here, I don't know for you guys, but here in the UK, the fidget toys thing is something very huge. Like everybody's talking about that. They're doing some exchange at school. This thing is going crazy. Like fidget toys here, it's like massive. It's like money, real money. So
Money.
today we're gonna discover some kids' money. Yeah.
Money.
Okay, so
What we are going to do, I was thinking about it all the morning. So, kids, you are going to do the, the paper, scissors, shoot thing.
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
Rock,
We're going to do
paper,
this. And the winner is going to be the first one to choose which package he wants to open.
and what about me?
You are going to be the third one. So
Yeah.
the kids are going to be the first, and you are going to be the third one. Let's go.
I'll give you the signal. 1, 2, go.
Rock.
As no, I promise, like, and
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah!
So I choose
Congrats, so
the
you're the first.
So what are you going to choose?
choose the big one.
Obviously, the biggest one.
You know Amor, if you don't know him, he's gonna go with the biggest one.
Of
Yes.
What is gonna be inside?
course. I'm super excited. Like
It's so hard to open it.
Drum roll.
Oh, what is that?
Slime. Oh.
This a stress ball. Oh, some slime. Is it like I create the slime or it's already slime?
Just
Honestly,
open it,
I
open it.
don't know.
Wait.
The
Let's
answer
open
is
this
inside.
one. This in the packet. Wait a minute. Let's
Slime.
take all of this. Okay. Wait. Stop touching everything.
I love
Oh, there's some. Wow, it's beautiful inside.
Wow.
What is this?
What's inside?
I love this.
What's
Oh
this?
my gosh, there is 3.
What's this? It's like
I
a
don't know how to
beans.
say. Yeah. Look, wait.
Can
I'm
we
gonna
try
show
it?
you. Yes. Look, it's like that. You push this like that.
Okay. It
Yeah.
has some
that's
faces. See? Yeah, open it.
Cool.
Open it.
Wait. Let me open it. Let me open
Okay,
it.
sorry,
I won.
Mr. President.
I won.
Sorry.
Remember
sorry.
that. Wait, I want to put it back. It is so.
Can I
Oh,
try,
no.
please?
So this is a fidget toy?
Yeah.
Oh, in my mind,
fidget
fidget toy
toy.
is more like the
Okay.
circle
thing.
stuff. Yeah.
Mom, I let you do this.
Yes.
I like it. Can I try it, please?
Wait, I'm gonna open all of it.
Wow.
Yeah, yes,
It's sticky.
Yes, you see?
Whoa.
But it is so
Oh,
good.
it's so fun. Oh, wow. It's so good when
Yes.
you stretch.
Oh. Can I have it,
Okay.
please? Oh.
Wow.
Mom, try.
Wow.
Wait,
Have you smelled the ananas? No, it doesn't smell the ananas, but
Oh, yeah.
it smells good. Now, Mr. President, gonna open the slime box.
Wow.
What's inside the slime box?
So this is my fidget toy collection.
Wow, so 2 more. 3 more.
Yeah, 4.
Can we open the slime box, please? I'm dying to see what's inside.
Me too. 3 slime
Oh,
with
pink
some
one.
like accessories.
Your happy time.
We
have
there's
accessories
a
on.
watermelon.
Ice cream.
Look, there's a watermelon,
Ice
Yeah.
cream.
an ice cream, and I don't know how this is called.
Look
A
in.
blueberry, maybe? No, I
Yeah.
don't think so.
This is
Okay.
the accessories. So this is the ice cream.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Wait, I have to try it.
Berry.
I'm gonna try like only one. The rest.
Let me play the guitar. I play the guitar. I play the guitar.
I want
Yeah,
to
yeah.
test one of it.
Oh.
Oh, the slime is
Can
so
I try,
good.
please?
Try? Three.
Yeah, can I
Three
try
slime.
the
Try
yeah,
the pink one and I try the white one.
Oh yeah, it's cool.
Wait, let me give this quickly.
Yes, it's cold. And it's really
This is so satisfying.
Very, very.
Wow.
This is very satisfying.
Good.
Okay, I understand now the hype
Yeah,
with all those fidget toys.
you can tell.
Show them like the
Let me
sensation.
see.
Ah,
really
it's
sticky.
ah.
Sticky.
Zachariah, you just coughed on me. My hand. This is gross. Now
It's my turn.
Zachariah's turn. Go
Yeah.
for it, Prince.
Oh,
Go
I
for
love
it.
I want this.
I love this slime.
You want the
Mr.
second
President?
biggest one?
Yeah.
I want this one.
You want me to have it? Okay, you can do it.
Wow, this was fast.
The puppet.
Okay, that's what I had in mind when you talk about fidget toys. That's exactly
Yeah.
what I had in mind.
Yeah. Let me
yeah.
open this one.
And what's the shape?
The
Ice
shape.
cream.
Ice
Ice cream.
Yeah.
Who eats
want-
the ice cream?
Oh
let me
yeah.
see.
Somebody biting.
They are so big.
Oh,
It's
the quality is so
number.
good.
It's number and letter in.
Really?
Oh, wow.
Look.
Oh, the
me show it
quality,
to the camera.
the quality is so good.
The quality is good.
Oh
Yeah.
What's going on? You're out of tune. You're going.
I don't know
Your voice
if
is.
you will be.
Look.
I
Wait.
don't know if you will be
Whoa.
able to see it on camera, but there's letters.
Can I try?
It's my
Okay,
puppet.
okay, okay.
Yeah, no, it's
You have
not.
one.
It's
Okay.
everybody's one.
Oh, even here, even at the bottom, you have one.
Yes, I.
Let me explain those watching us right now a little something about
Puppet.
puppet. So for the kids, the quality, how to judge about the quality is, you know, the part you push it when they're thick. For them, it's like, oh, it's very quality. It's good quality.
That is so good.
Yeah, and this one is
Yes.
quite thick. So when you push it, you hear the noise.
Yeah, and also
And the more noise you hear, the better
Yeah.
it is, huh?
I
It's
want
what
to
I was
eat
going
the
to say.
lemon ice cream.
Okay, wow,
Let's
I like
eating.
it. Yeah, so now it's my turn. And
This one?
Finally.
you know, I'm gonna go the opposite way
Oh, the small
and I'm
one.
gonna choose. Yes.
The smallest.
I already
package.
like what I'm feeling. It
Yeah.
reminds me of the ananas
Of
you got.
this.
Yeah, can you show the ananas? Yeah.
Oh,
I
it's
think
So-
I think
love
it's
it.
gonna be quite similar.
So you think it's gonna be a stress ball?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
like
yes,
Oh, you're
I
full.
strongly
strong
believe
that.
it's gonna be.
Just more.
Ta-da! Look good. Oh, the color are great.
It's ananas. Just
Yeah. Let's open it.
Yeah.
We don't say ananas in English.
You say what?
Si on dit ananas.
No.
What do we say?
Oh my
You
gosh.
forgot?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Oh,
Look,
yeah.
it's the same thing like this. Look. It's the same thing, but this one is the little baby. Look, I'm
You
gonna
know-
be the richest of my whole school.
You grab it. You want to
They're
show
all
them?
gonna come at me. Say,
Yeah.
oh, do you want to
no,
trade?
I
Do you want
can
to
show
trade?
you.
Oh my.
Press it.
I love it.
I love the color.
And-
The color is my favorite one.
Mom, you want to try?
Yes.
The same with the.
Oh,
It's
this.
so
same
small.
with this.
and so
Just it's
cute.
small.
Yeah.
And it's not the same color.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the
just
same.
Yeah.
the pineapple is bigger. No, they two.
You can see the size difference.
Now it's
This
my
one
turn.
is Mr. Magic and this one is Zachariah.
Yes.
We still have 3 more to go with.
Yeah,
So
Great.
It's my turn. I think I'm gonna shoot this one.
okay.
Great. Go for it. Go for it. Zachariah.
What's in?
Okay.
This-
Oh,
Oh, it's
two
two
same
puppets.
puppets.
Oh, I can have this.
Yep. Wait,
Yeah.
let me open it.
This is similar.
First,
So since you have two,
This
you
is
can open
mine.
it.
This is
this
mine.
is yours.
So Mr. President, he want to keep the both of the strawberries for him.
Wait.
You need some help?
Yes.
Oh, it
Because
is so
he's a-
good. When you touch it,
Oh, you
it's
see?
so good.
It's a better quality.
Okay, so those two
Just-
kids, they are obsessed with quality.
Quality.
Every time they have a new toy, they're like, oh, it's bad quality, or wow, fantastic quality. And this one is
Fantastic.
And what's the name of the fruit? You didn't say it.
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
We're going to judge the quality. If you hear the sound very good, then it's good quality. So listen. Yeah. It works.
Hey, you know what? Zakaria was just whispering to me which one you should choose. I don't know. Whatever you want.
This.
Okay.
I open it.
Suspense. Yeah, yeah. Whoa!
Two eggs. Oh, I know this one.
Oh
the
yes,
eggs.
it's egg.
Oh, we got a lot of stretch ball. We got. Oh
stretch ball.
my god. I want to pop the eggs. I want to. Oh, look. I want to pop the eggs.
Yes,
You want to
egg.
cook it? I want to cook it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's
To
cook
eat
it.
it.
Egg.
You see how it is? Can I try it, please?
Yes, you can
Yes.
look.
Yeah. Can I have both? Oh, you know what? You feel the little yellow dots
Yes.
inside.
Yes.
Yeah, they're not the same.
As a.
The same texture.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, wow. Fidget toys are cool. It's cool.
Yeah.
I'm sure you want to start with your collection.
Your collection is my collection.
Yes.
As soon as you
Because
fell
he
asleep
paid.
tonight, I'm gonna be playing with them like.
Because
oh,
he
have a
paid.
I just needed one. Okay, so look. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. Like I don't know how to
Mom,
explain this.
touch the yellow
It's
thing.
like an eye.
Touch the yellow
it's
thing.
so, it's so
Oh, you
jelly.
can glue together.
You feel the different sensation of the
Yeah,
yellow part
yeah,
Look,
yeah.
and we
inside?
can feel
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
I love it. So satisfying.
Wow.
But it's disgusting.
So guys, I was just telling you, right now
Oh
is gonna
yeah.
be the
The last one.
the last
Oh
pack.
yeah.
So I don't know because I feel paper, I feel plastics. So I don't know definitely what's inside.
Open it.
Yeah, I'm talking too much.
Yo.
I
Oh,
want
fish
to
and
open
fish.
But it's not for this. It was not your turn.
It was my
I
turn.
know.
It was my turn.
Okay, you can open it.
Yeah, I know why you asking me. You let me open it because you can't open it. Oh wow,
Okay, so I think we found the most disgusting one.
wow, whoa! It's like a real fish. Ah,
Oh my gosh, let me try.
does it smell like a fish?
Ah,
Quite. It's weird. Oh,
It's
Okay.
What's written on it?
It's very sticky. Yeah.
oh my gosh, I don't know how to remove
Wait.
it.
Sticky, icky, fishy.
Wait.
Oh my.
How sticky it is.
So disgusting. Oh my god.
Look.
Whoa, like a real one.
stick.
I just fished the fish.
Wait,
And it's
let's
still
do
alive,
something.
it's alive.
Look, let's do something like that. Look.
Yes.
A fusion. Combination.
Fish.
Okay, Queen, grab this one and show them.
I didn't want it to, fall
wow.
on the carpet.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh my
Hey,
god.
Mom,
this is
do like
very,
that.
very sticky. Okay, let's try.
wow.
wow.
Yeah, you
You
can
see?
squeeze it.
Oh wow.
The whole collection.
Look right now.
Wow, your collection
It's getting
is
bigger and
amazing.
bigger, huh?
Look,
Wow.
let me tell you something about my collection. Before, I was with only this puppet. And right now, with all of this puppet. I'm rich.
But
No,
hey,
I
you
have
have
one.
to share.
We just have to say our fam bye-bye, goodbye, and then you have plenty of time to play with all these wonderful Fidget toys. Thank you for watching. Don't
Yes,
forget
yes.
to like,
Like.
to hit that blue button. like, and
Subscribe.
subscribe. Okay, guys. So 1, 2, 3. Bye bye.
Pop it!